How does pop mining scale for higher transaction volumes as Hemi approaches mainnet maturity?
So the cool thing with proof of proof is you're basically just publishing a consensus proof of the current state of the Hemi network, and in the future with Chain Builder and having an L3 ecosystem, the states of all those L3s. And so the number of transactions that Hemi itself is processing, or Hemi's downstream L3s inheriting security through proof of proof, using Hemi as the security aggregation layer, the proof size of what you're actually publishing to Bitcoin doesn't change at all. So for people who are maybe familiar with some other Bitcoin L2s that are using Bitcoin for DA, for those chains, the more that they scale their transaction throughput, not computationally, but the actual size of the serialized transactions, that has a direct linear effect on the amount of space that they require on Bitcoin. We have a similar thing on ETH for data availability. So the more transactions the Hemi chain natively is processing, and the more data that is required to serialize those transactions, the more space we take in Ethereum DA. But on the Bitcoin side, for PoP Bitcoin security inheritance, none of that matters, because whether there's one transaction or a million transactions, those are all summarized by the current consensus state of Hemi. And that is that fingerprint of, or the cryptographic commitment to that current state is all that needs to be posted to Bitcoin for PoP and fork resolution.